can't believe it's real now. Thought you were the one. Fading memories still remain of love that's gone undone. Empty rooms and silence, voices lost in time. Heartbeats feel like echoes of a love that once was mine. Shattered echoes in my heart, tearing me apart. Oh, distance oh so far, leaving just a scar. Oh, tears fall in the twilight, wishing you were near. Endless nights of wonder, how we got to here. Loved you with my everything, now I'm left with nothing. Broken dreams and shattered wings, flying onto something. Shattered echoes in my heart, tearing me apart. Oh, oh, distance oh so far, leaving just a scar. Shattered echoes in my heart, tearing me apart. Oh, oh, distance oh so far, leaving just a scar. Ooh. In a room full, since I've been quiet, loneliness creeps in like a mountain light. I search for your face in a sea of regret. Your memories are ghosts that I can't forget. We danced on the edge of a love so fierce. Now I'm left with the songs your absence pierce. You were my symphony, my soul and true. Now echoes of sorrow fill up this room. Shattered echoes in my mind, fragments of love we left behind. Broken pieces on the floor, can't find us anymore. Your laughter was once my guiding light. Now it's a whisper in the dead of night. I count the tears on my pillowcase, hoping someday to forget your face. Still see your shadow against the wall, a silent witness to a rise and fall. In dreams you're there, but out of reach. Our love's become a lesson I can't teach. Shattered echoes in my mind, fragments of a love we left behind. Broken pieces on the floor, can't find us anymore. Guiding light. Now it's a whisper in the